Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Shopify menu. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, find and click on Online Store, then select Navigation. Here, you will see your existing menus, typically a main menu for your primary navigation and a footer menu for secondary links. Understanding these two core areas is your first step to organizing your store effectively. To create a brand new menu, simply click the Add Menu button. This will open a new section where you can give your menu a unique and descriptive title. For example, you might name it Quick Links or Customer Service. It is important to save your menu right after giving it a title, even before adding any items, to ensure your progress is secured. Now let's add items to your menu. Click Add Menu Item and give your link a clear name like About Us or New Arrivals. You can link these items to various parts of your store, such as specific pages, product collections, individual products, or even external websites. To organize your menu, simply drag and drop items to reorder them or indent them to create nested, drop-down submenus for a clean look. Finally, to make your new menu visible on your storefront, you need to assign it to a specific section within your theme. Most themes allow you to assign menus to areas like the header, footer, or even a sidebar. After selecting the desired location, always remember to click the Save Menu button. This crucial step ensures all your hard work is published and visible to your customers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.